Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's lesson, we are talking about something that connects us all, love. Whether you're describing your feelings, talking about a relationship, or just having a casual conversation, using idioms about love will help you sound more natural and expressive in English. Let's look at 5 fun and useful love idioms with clear examples you can start using right away. The first idiom is head over heels. Head over heels means deeply and completely in love with someone. Here's the first example. She's head over heels for her new boyfriend. So this means that she is very deeply in love with her new boyfriend. She feels very strong emotions for him. Here's a second example. He fell head over heels in love the moment they met. So this means that he became completely in love with her when they first met. Our second idiom is love at first sight. So, love at first sight means falling in love with someone the first time you see them. Here's an example. For them, it was love at first sight. So, this means that they fell in love immediately when they saw each other for the first time. The second example is I used to think love at first time was only in movies, but now I believe it. So this means that I used to believe that falling in love instantly wasn't real, but now I think it can happen in real life. Here's our third idiom, tie the knot. So to tie the knot means to get married. Here's our first example. They are finally going to tie the knot this spring. So this simply means that they are finally getting married this spring. Here's our second example. After 5 years together, they decided to tie the knot. So this means that after being in a relationship for 5 years, they chose to get married. Here is our fourth idiom, pop the question. So to pop the question is to ask someone to marry you. Here's our first example. He popped the question during dinner last night. So this simply means that he asked her to marry him during dinner last night. Here's our second example. She said yes when he popped the question on the beach. So this means that she agreed to marry him when he asked her on the beach. And here is our final idiom of the day, have a crush on someone. To have a crush on someone is to have romantic feelings for someone, usually in the early stage of attraction. So here's our first example. I think she has a crush on her co-worker. So this means that I think she secretly likes her co-worker in a romantic way. Here's our second example. He's had a crush on her since high school. So this means that he's liked her in a romantic way ever since they were in high school. That's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed learning these love idioms. They are fun to use and helps you sound more fluent when talking about relationships and feelings. Which idiom did you like the most? Or have you used any of them before? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.